We getting closer to dinner time. I want to see some high paying orders with some low mileage. Now, if we do some high mileage orders like yesterday, oh my God. That's a 30-mile round trip. Bruh. $9.75 for 15.7 miles. Wow, that's absolutely crazy. Wow, what? That just ruined my good mood right there. That just ruined my good mood right there. Man, looky here. This is straight up crazy. This is straight up crazy, y'all. 15 miles for a burrito delivery? I have nothing to say. I have nothing to say. I have nothing to say. Why is this order going in the middle of the next zone over? This makes no sense at all. No sense at all. I'm about to be on this order for an hour. In the zone that I'm going to, I don't even like working in that zone. Wow. They really finna do this. And then it's gonna ask me when I get up there, hey, do you want to switch zones? Do you want to switch zones and get some more bad order? I cannot believe. How is this possible? Ah, this is hilarious. This is literally hilarious, y'all. Can't make this up. Let's see what this clown ordered. One burrito bowl and some burrito fries. Yup. Probably spent $15 on it. Wow. Just wow. That's crazy. I can't believe I'm about to do this. I cannot believe I am getting ready to do this. I cannot believe it. I have no idea. I cannot believe it. I should have did a different app today. Oh, that's for sure. I should have did a different app today. At least it was ready, I guess. At least it was ready. Let's go ahead and hit this. Yep, you see it. 14.3 miles. You see it. Well, now that I done sat here and drove this 15-mile delivery, I'm like a mile and a half away. I'm all the way in Wood River. I had a little time to think to myself as I was driving out here on the highway, wasting all my gas. It ain't no way that drivers who do what I'm doing right now, accepting every single order without putting any thought into it, there is not any way they don't feel the same way I feel right now. You cannot tell me you pick up an order paying $7 for 2 miles, $8 for 3 miles, $5 for 1 mile, and then you take an order like this, $9 for 15 miles. You cannot tell me that taking an order like this don't piss you off. You cannot tell me. I got all types of decisions to make. I gotta decide if I wanna drive 15 miles back to where I just came from. I gotta decide if I wanna dash in a different zone, if they give me the possibility to switch zones and possibly drive to questionable neighborhoods over here in this new zone that I don't want no business with. I got all types of decisions to make. And this is why you should never accept every order. Same thing happened yesterday. They sent me a $9 order going 12 friggin' miles away. Same thing. So what do you do? Somebody help me out. What the hell do I do? Do I switch zone? Do I drive 15 miles round trip back? Make it a 30-mile round trip for $9. I'm literally probably almost, I'm probably finna have to put the same thing as yesterday. I'm finna have to put all of this money right in the gas tank. Right into the gas tank. This is crazy. This is absolutely crazy, y'all. I cannot make this up. Doordash is trash when it comes to these long distance orders and these no-tip customers. They got to do better. Now for the customers that's low distance, reasonable tip, they doing all right there. But when it comes to, I want to have every single person who got a cell phone, I want them to order from wherever they want to order from. They got to do better on that front. Cause this is crazy. I can't do this trip 10 times in a row. My car gonna break down. Let alone the gas. I just put $200 tires on the car. I'm gonna make that money back getting offers like this. This is crazy. This is absolutely crazy. This is a trash order. This is a trash customer. I'm in a whole new zone, guys. Check it out, look. I'm in a whole different zone. It's a Walmart right down the street. You got McDonald's over there, Burger King over there, Taco Bell out here. But nope, they wanted burritos from 15 miles away. Had to be the 15-mile burrito. Why? Because it adds more flavor when you come from hella far away. That's why. It adds more flavor. This is crazy. It's a leave at door. I'm about to head up here and take this picture. Bruh. literally am mad right now. I done drove all the way out here for no money. Might as well be a $2 order. I would have been happier doing a $2 order. That's crazy. Look at the mileage on this, man. This is beyond ridiculous. I don't even know which house it is.
The customer requested you leave the order at their door.
Customer then requested me from hella far away is what the customer then did. The customer then requested me from hella far away. That's what the customer did, y'all. These customers is tripping. This is the most ridiculous stuff I ever seen in my whole life, man. $9, man, for all of that driving. $9.75. And you want to know the best part? It didn't even give me an option to switch zones. It's just flat out telling me, head back. Wow. Just wow. I'm absolutely stunned right now. I am absolutely stunned right now. They literally like, yep, all right, time to head back. That is crazy, boy. That is absolutely wild, man. Well, we made $9.75. Let's go ahead and have one last look at that house. Yeah, don't ever come here because these people's dumb. Oh my God. This is crazy, boy. I just came from so far away. I'm so mad right now.